Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you have administrator rights on both the Swift VDI console and the guest VM. This is required to change system time. Once connected to the VM through the VDI client, disable any client-to-VM time synchronization so your manual change won't be immediately overwritten. You do this in the VDI client settings or hypervisor tools. Make sure to note the current time zone and NTP settings before changing anything, because you'll restore sync after verifying the change. You now set the correct time zone first, because that prevents offsets. On Linux, use timedatelь, on Windows, use tsutil or the date and time control panel. Once the zone is correct and NTP is disabled, adjust the clock manually. Use precise time sources if available. After changing the clock, verify immediately with date or the system tray and check system logs for any service errors related to time. Make sure services dependent on time, like Kerberos, are not failing as you proceed. You finish by re-enabling NTP or the VDI time synchronization once the manual change is validated. This ensures long-term accuracy. If the time immediately jumps back, check the host's clock, guest tools, VMware tools/Hyper-V integration, and any hypervisor level sync overrides. Those are common culprits. If services still misbehave, restart time-sensitive services or reboot the VM to clear cached credentials and schedule entries. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.